European Central Bank says crypto is dead, but is it? The European Central Bank has released its strongest bearish statement on crypto to date. In a blog post on its website, the bank chastises the EU Commission for legitimising the industry with new regulations and predicts the death of Bitcoin. Protos has previously reported that when it comes to crypto, there are very strong divergences between central bankers and legislators. For example, the Bank of International Settlements takes a very strong position against the enabling and legitimization of stablecoins. The European Central Bank itself has also previously warned that the collapse of major stablecoins could trigger financial contagion. Now the bank is going even further, declaring that Bitcoin is dead and claiming that its recent price stabilization is only a last gasp before it slips into irrelevance. Earlier this year, the European Commission presented a comprehensive framework called Markets in Crypto Assets, MiCA, to the European Parliament. The framework will force stablecoin issuers to hold one-to-one currency reserves and will also highly regulate exchanges. Market manipulation will not be allowed and exchanges won't be able to use clients' funds to gamble on markets. The idea is to produce a framework for crypto that is as stringent as those governing the already highly regulated financial services sector. However, the European Central Bank is concerned that MiCA may contribute to making Bitcoin and crypto more respectable and more legitimate. The European Central Bank has reiterated that Bitcoin is mostly used for speculation and not for payments, and that its price rises are only due to the fact that it has gone through a speculative bubble that is now popping. The European Central Bank also claims that Bitcoin has no use or value, and implied that the currency's intrinsic value is in fact zero. It also warned banks that offering Bitcoin-related services carries a strong reputational risk. Earlier this month, the European Central Bank chief Christine Lagarde claimed that crypto and private payment systems operating outside the EU can disrupt payment markets by making it more confusing and difficult for customers while increasing instability. She also endorsed the ongoing central bank digital currency project. However, the European Central Bank is still behind in issuing a Euro central bank digital currency. The decisions by the European Central Bank on the Euro central bank digital currency are set to be concluded in September 2023, but its legislative framework and implementation would still take years. Meanwhile, Lagarde would have to contend with potential instability and disruption in the payment system market, unless crypto dies out completely. For the record, this isn't the first time that Bitcoin has been declared dead. Since 2010, there have been at least 466 obituaries to Bitcoin published in the press. The question is it different this time around, or is the European Central Bank's warning just another buy signal? For more informed news, follow us on Twitter and Google News, or listen to our investigative podcast, Innovated Blockchain City.